Hey garden friend, welcome back to Decoded Smarter Soil, Better Gardens. I'm the Soil Doctor, and today I want to show you how to build a raised garden bed that's easy on your wallet and gentle on the planet, using recycled materials. If you've been eyeing those pricey store-bought kits but the cost makes you hesitate, don't worry. With a little creativity and some basic tools, you can make a sturdy, beautiful raised bed without buying anything new. Let's get started. First, why bother with recycled materials? Well, reusing what you have keeps stuff out of landfills, saves you money, and lets you customize your bed to fit your space. Plus, those weathered boards or bricks add a ton of personality to your garden. The end result is practical and honestly a bit more charming than something fresh off the shelf. So what can you use? Take a walk around your yard or check with neighbors. Untreated wooden pallets are fantastic, as are old fence boards, leftover decking, cinder blocks, bricks, or even corrugated metal sheets. Got an old bookshelf or crib frame? That works too. And if you've got downed branches or logs, you can build a super rustic bed. Just avoid treated wood and anything with peeling paint or chemicals. You want your veggies to stay safe. Next, let's talk tools. You don't need a fancy workshop. A hand saw or circular saw for cutting wood, a drill or screwdriver, some screws or nails, a measuring tape, and maybe a level if you want to get it just right. Gloves and goggles are always a good idea, especially if you're working with rough or rusty materials. Alright, time to build. Pick a sunny spot with good drainage. For a classic wooden bed, measure your boards. 4 by 8 feet is a popular size, and cut them to length. Screw or nail them together at the corners, and add a scrap wood brace inside each corner for extra stability. Using bricks or cinder blocks, just stack them into your desired shape. You can even plant herbs right inside the block holes for bonus growing space. Got metal sheets? Use wooden corner posts to support them, then screw the metal panels to the posts. Once your frame is up, let's prep the inside. Lay down cardboard or a thick layer of newspaper to block weeds from coming up. For a nutrient-rich base, try the lasagna gardening method. Layer cardboard, leaves, grass clippings, food scraps, and compost. Top it all off with garden soil or a compost blend. As these layers break down, they feed your plants and improve the soil. Now you're ready to plant. Your new bed is perfect for greens, herbs, root veggies, even dwarf fruit bushes. Raised beds warm up quickly in spring, drain better after rain, and are much easier on your back, especially if you struggle with mobility or just want to make gardening more comfortable. So here's my final thought. You don't need a big budget to grow a great garden. All it takes is some resourcefulness and a willingness to give old materials a new life. Every recycled bed tells a story of sustainability, creativity, and smarter gardening. If this video sparked your next weekend project, hit like and subscribe for more down-to-earth garden wisdom right here on Decoded. I'm the Soil Doctor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.